Custom rugs cost hundreds online, but you can tuft your own for under $50. All you need is a tufting gun, some cloth, and an afternoon. Here's exactly how it's done. Step 1. Stretch primary tufting cloth tight across a wooden frame and staple it every 2 inches so it's drum tight. Trace your design onto the cloth with tailor's chalk or a fine marker, working from a printed stencil. Step 2. Thread acrylic or wool yarn through your tufting gun and set the pile height dial to medium. Test the gun on a scrap corner first to check tension before touching your design. Step 3. Tuft the outline of your design first, keeping the gun perpendicular to the cloth at all times. Fill in the interior in slow, steady rows, moving in one consistent direction to avoid gaps. Step 4. Once tufted, trim any uneven loops flat with sharp fabric shears for a clean, even pile. Use a smaller detail scissor to carve crisp edges between color sections. Step 5. Coat the back of the cloth with rug backing adhesive using a stiff brush, then press a scrim backing fabric into the glue. Let it cure flat for 24 hours before removing it from the frame. Pro tip: rushing the gun speed causes bald patches, so keep steady pressure and constant contact with the cloth. What design would you tuft first? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.